Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a what's in my bag video. So I will be showing you guys what I carry in my everyday bag. I'm currently using the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the size MM. I like the medium size one because I'm not like that tall. I'm only 5'2", so this is like the perfect size for my body. The small one is too small. It would defeat the purpose of getting a big bag to be able to carry all the stuff that I need. So this bag was like a must since I only have crossbody bags that are like this little. So I purchased this one not too long ago for a everyday use. So to begin, it's this big. You could wear it like this by pushing this in, which makes it appear like it's more square, but I don't really wear it like that. I like it like this. And I purchased a organizer from Amazon for more compartments. So it has a compartment here. You could add additional small compartments right here, some more compartments here, but I think this is the Neverfull one. I know I got it in a smaller size because I didn't know the measurements. It came with a clutch slash pouch that I always keep in here, and that's the overall view of the bag. A zipper here and a little clasp there. So I'm gonna start with what I have inside of it. So I carry around my glasses because I can't see when I'm driving. So these are just my eyeglasses. I only wear them when I'm driving or when I'm watching TV because I can't see. But I hate glasses. They're not for me. I want to get LASIK. This is a set of keys. I don't really use these keys. These are more like my mom's house keys, my best friend's house keys. I had a pepper spray, but when my friends and I went to the strip club, they made me toss it out because I guess they didn't want me to pepper spray strippers, but whatever. We're banned from the strip club, so we won't be going there. I have a coin pouch, which I like this one because it's like from Victoria's Secret and I like the colors, and I just put all my coins in here. It was a freebie, so I can't even tell you guys to purchase this. A mirror. So I purchased this from Dollar Tree. I found it there when I was looking at stuff. So it has like a light, so that's perfect for like when it's dark and I'm like doing makeup in my car. I don't really wear makeup, but and this hand cream was a freebie from the nail salon. So I purchased this from I got this for free from the nail salon. For the holidays, they always give you like a free gift. This stupid face mask that we have to wear all the time now, which is disgusting. Hand sanitizer. I love this brand of hand sanitizer. I don't know the brand, but the owner of my job purchased it for us, and I just took it since we weren't gonna be in the office. But I believe it's Wish Care. But you know how like hand sanitizers smell disgusting? I don't know, like especially right now that we're running low on hand sanitizers, they all smell gross. This one doesn't smell gross. This one smells perfect. It doesn't have like too much alcohol scent. This is the Glamour Bars chapstick. Just put these in my clients' goodie bags with their aftercare products. My watch that I wear all the time. I only like silver jewelry right now, so this has definitely become my everyday watch. My Apple Watch is dead, so I just keep it in my bag because I like to use it for when I go to the gym, which I haven't been to the gym. I actually hate seeing girls wearing like a dress or like a cute outfit and they have their Apple Watch on, because the Apple Watch is not cute, especially if you have this band on. I mean, if you replace the band, it could be cute, but still, I don't find the purpose of wearing it with a dress. I have this YSL perfume. This was a freebie. It came with my mom's birthday gift, so I bought her like the big bottle, and they were giving away that one for the holidays, so I just kept it because I actually like the scent. the Fenty lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. My ring. Sorry guys, that was my phone. Okay, a scrunchie. I always get hot and my friends love to steal my scrunchies because I'm always the one carrying them. It's either in my bag or on my wrist, but I get hot and I hate my hair on my face. A lip gloss applicator. This also goes in my lash clients everyday. Wow. It goes in my clients' goodie bags with a travel, oh, it doesn't focus, with a travel wand for their lashes. Okay, so I also carry around my card holder. This is a YSL card holder. I had this for years. It's actually great quality. I only carry around my ID, my 3 debit cards, and my insurance card in here. I don't like carrying a lot of stuff in it because they tend to stretch out, and I like when my cards don't slide off. My key holder. This is the 6-ring key holder. So inside of here, I literally only have my card key and my house key. I don't really use my house keys a lot because I have a key padlock. So I just keep this inside my bag at all times. I never have to take it out. I have my second phone, which is my lash phone, where I contact my clients and I take photos. I try to take, like, you know, I don't want my phone to be cluttered with a whole bunch of lash pictures, so I transfer the lash pictures there. If I take it on my phone. Birth control that I never take. I actually have like 3 brand new packs of birth control because I get them delivered to my house, but I suck at it. Like, birth control is not for me. I also have a business card holder. So I purchased this from Amazon. Amazon has all the good stuff, but I like to carry this in my bag for when, you know, a lash conversation comes up. I could just tell a client, like a person, like, yeah, I do eyelash extensions, and give them my business card. So this is my business card. Check out the Glamour Bar on Instagram. I am located in Union, New Jersey. This is a pen that I got from Vegas. I don't really like pens that say like logos on it, but I know it's promo, but I really love this pen, so I just kept it in my bag. I also have, my friend gave me this spray once and I actually never gave it back to her, but it's the Before You Go toilet spray, and it's original citrus, and this is for, like, let's say you have to use the restroom and you don't want no one to know that you used the restroom. You just spray it and it smells like lemon. You flush and nobody will know what you did in there. So then I just have like a bunch of cards, which are rewards card, business card, not business card, sorry, gift cards, and laundry cards, and my Cash App card. I don't like to carry all of that in my card holder because it's too much stuff. So that's it for what's inside of here. All of those things came from in here, so that is like perfect. In this clutch, well, pouch, I don't really keep a lot. I only keep I don't keep my personal cash because I never really carry around cash. I always like pay with my debit card. So I have my lash money. I usually always put my lash money in here, which is like the cash that my clients pay with. I just throw in here and then I go to the bank. I haven't gone to the bank, so I have money in there. And a receipt for a return. So ladies, lash business is good. Let's get to it. I also do eyelash extension classes, so if you guys need to become trained, contact me. So right here in the little hanging compartment that I said that it has, I usually just hang my AirPods. So I have like this cute case that I got from Claire's for my AirPods, and it has like the little hanging. It's white marble. I love white marble. As you can see, my nails are white marble too. And in this little compartment that's zipped up, I usually don't keep much besides random receipts. I usually like throw them out, but I was looking at this unnecessary CVS receipt and it had a couple of stuff. I know you guys say like don't use these, but I use this when it's the time of the month. These are the Summer's Eve Island Splash cleansing cloth. The little things that come with the bag. My anklet bracelet that broke. I need to get it fixed. My friend Juliet earrings, because everyone loves to throw things in my bag and then I become responsible for them. Horrible. And my belly ring that I was supposed to put on, but my belly ring closed. It closed way too many times and I have like low tolerance for pain, so I'm not gonna get it repaired. Let me show you how cute it is. It is like the cutest belly ring they have like on Amazon. So it is a diamond here and a diamond there. How cute. So I'm just gonna keep it for whenever I do decide to re-pierce my belly, but right now I'm definitely not doing it because it will be like my second time re-piercing it. And just these little things that came with the bag. And that's it. That's inside my bag. Everything else is gone. Let me just show you guys the sizing of it. So you see it's like perfect for me. Sorry guys, I'm wearing my PJ pants. Clasped in, it looks like this. It looks like a totally different bag, but it's cute, but it becomes smaller, so I just like it big. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This concludes my what's in my bag video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys would like to see my bag collection, like, comment, and subscribe to this video and share.